Have you ever considered what we generally want when we calculate? It always boils down to a number. This profound observation was made by none other than Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra. He realized that at the heart of our daily lives, from the simplest of transactions to the most complex algorithms, numbers are what we're after. Think about it. When you wake up in the morning, you check the time, right? That's a number. When you pay for your morning coffee, that's another set of numbers. Even the steps you take, the breaths you breathe, they can all be quantified into numbers. In more complex scenarios, consider the algorithms that power our digital world, or the equations that help us understand our universe. They all hinge on numbers. They are the building blocks, the DNA of our understanding of the world. Numbers, as al-Khwarizmi stated, are the foundation of all calculations. Science is not just a subject, it's a way of thinking, a way of deciphering the mysteries of the universe. The words of Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, a pioneer in the field of mathematics and astronomy, encapsulate this sentiment perfectly. He saw a unique beauty in science, an affability and condescension which he believed was shown by the divine to the learned. He was encouraged by the promptitude with which science supports and protects its seekers in their quest for understanding. In his words, science was not just a discipline, it was an aid in the elucidation of obscurities and in the removal of difficulties. This perspective is not just about the scientific method or the acquisition of knowledge. It's about how science shapes our worldview, how it offers a unique lens through which we can perceive and make sense of the world around us. Science, as al-Khwarizmi proposed, is a tool for elucidation and problem solving. Equations are not just numbers and symbols, they are stories waiting to be understood. Now let's delve into the world of algebra, or as we more commonly know it, algebra. Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra, gave us a potent tool to unravel these mathematical tales. Imagine an equation as a seesaw. On one side, you have a combination of numbers and variables. On the other side, another set. The fulcrum, the equal sign, tells us that these two sides are in balance. But what if we don't know the weight of one of the items? Well, that's where algebra comes in. Al-Khwarizmi taught us to manipulate the equation, to move the pieces around until we isolate that unknown. We're engaging in a graceful dance of logic, removing the cloak of mystery to reveal the value hidden beneath. And so, in the grand narrative of numbers, equations, as al-Khwarizmi pointed out, are about finding the value of the unknown. In the world of mathematics, brevity is not just about being concise, it's about being elegant. These words ring true when we delve into the mind of Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, an illustrious mathematician who admired the brevity of the Indian calculation method, a method he found to be beyond description. He found beauty in simplicity, in the ability to convey complex calculations in the most succinct way. This is a concept that resonates deeply within the mathematical community. It's not just about finding a solution, it's about finding the simplest, the most efficient solution. That's the essence of elegance in mathematics. And in this elegance, we find the true art of the subject, the art of distilling complex ideas down to their simplest form, the art of making the complicated uncomplicated, the art of brevity. Brevity in calculation, as al-Khwarizmi admired, is a testament to the elegance of mathematics. All sciences are interconnected, but some serve as the pillars upon which others stand. From the perspective of the revered mathematician and astronomer, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, the hierarchy of sciences is a fascinating ladder, each rung representing a field of study that contributes to our understanding of the world. Let's begin with arithmetic and geometry. Al-Khwarizmi proclaimed, "The most perfect of the sciences are those which are based on arithmetic and geometry." These fields form the foundation of many other disciplines. They are clear and solid, lending precision and certainty where other sciences may deal in probabilities. Next, we have the science of the stars. Al-Khwarizmi considered it the key to all sciences and the source of all wisdom. Indeed, astronomy has guided us throughout history, from navigating the seas to understanding our place in the universe. Then there's the science of the earth, which al-Khwarizmi described as the foundation of all other sciences and the basis of all civilization. Geology, geography, and environmental science, they all offer insights into the physical world we inhabit, shaping our societies and cultures. Moving into the realm of the abstract, we find the science of the soul. Al-Khwarizmi saw this as the noblest and most beneficial of all the sciences. Whether we interpret this as psychology, philosophy, or spirituality, it's clear that understanding the human condition is of paramount importance. At the pinnacle of this hierarchy, al-Khwarizmi placed the science of God, describing it as the highest and most sublime of all the sciences. This could be seen as theology, the study of the divine, or as a metaphor for the pursuit of ultimate truth and understanding. In mapping out this hierarchy, al-Khwarizmi wasn't suggesting that some sciences are inherently superior to others. Instead, he was highlighting the interconnectedness of all fields of study, and how each contributes to our collective wisdom. As al-Khwarizmi believed, the sciences, from the most earthly to the most divine, are the sources of wisdom and civilization. Knowledge is not a destination, but a journey. Every step we take brings us closer to understanding the universe and in turn, ourselves. The words of Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, a man of profound intellect and curiosity, have echoed through the centuries, reminding us of the inherent beauty in the pursuit of knowledge. His passion for science, for the intricate dance of numbers and geometry, for the mysteries of the stars and the earth, and the profound truths about the soul and God inspire us to keep asking questions, to keep learning. His wisdom is not confined to his era but is relevant even in our modern world. Curiosity, the pursuit of knowledge, the thirst for understanding, are all timeless qualities that make us human. As al-Khwarizmi reminds us, the pursuit of knowledge is a noble endeavor. So, continue this journey with us. Subscribe to our channel and let's keep exploring the wonderful world of science together.